And now we're going to talk about paint. You're going to need acrylic paint. Not oil paint, not watercolor paint, acrylic paint. There are a lot of brands out there, and just buy the best brand you can afford. The more expensive the brand, the higher the pigment level. That means the color intensity is that much brighter, and it will go a lot further. Even though it costs more per tube, it goes a lot further. You only need a little bit to get a lot of bright color. Whereas with cheap paint, what happens is sometimes you need 3-4 coats of that paint to get that same intensity. If you cannot afford all these paints, just get one of each yellow, one of each red, one of each blue. But you will need white and black.